How are you?
All right. Oh, what are you looking for?
This is Google Glass, and I'm actually taking a video of you right now.
Right. Want to sit here for a minute?
Yeah. Thank you. By the way, my name is Ruth.
I'm Frank.
Thank you, Frank.
Zach.
Oh my goodness.
Don't start the engine.
I will not. Wow.
I've heard about the Google Glasses, but I don't know what they do.
Well, everything that a smartphone can do, this can do.
Yeah.
So I can do Google searches. I could read text messages. I can even take and make phone calls because right here is a bone conduction microphone right behind my ear.
Yeah.
So I actually hear the voices in here.